Crude got the resistance at $78 and NG achieved 2.8, and these were the levels I had told several times are going to be the next resistance level. I hope you all profited. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, trading crude oil and WTI and natural gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the latest analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into crude, followed with NG. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels there. Now look at the hourly charts of crude and you can see this was the bullish channel, then the retracement, and now again trying to reverse. Certainly 77.8, 78 zone is going to be a good resistance zone, and hence once again only if you see it trading above 78 you can remain long. Also if you look at, see the bearishness has diminished, it is trying to reverse, but possibly double top or certainly little higher levels at 78 may give it a little resistance. Hence watch it out, only above which you can buy there. Directional movement bullish, stochastic has come to overbought levels. The MACD again trying to cross over for a buy entry. RSI looking upwards, trading bullish. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, this is the second bullish candle, just falling shy of the previous target. Possibly we may see it hitting, see these levels at 77.5, 77.6, a little resistance, and then 77.8 levels. Beyond that we may see 78. Now only and only if it stays above 78 it can try to fly a little more for 80, 79.2, 80 levels. Directional movement bullish here, stochastic rising from the bottom, MACD bullish here, and if you look at the RSI, this is trading flat. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, interestingly, look at the previous few candles. Lower highs were seen, lower lows were seen. Let it break out once above 78.8, 77.8, 78 zone. Certainly it will bring little more bullishness there. And hence you can buy here. If you see it trading, rather I will say you can buy here at 77.6, then 77.8, 78 levels will be certainly there, and beyond that little more bullishness will be seen. Directional movement bullish, stochastic has dropped, now trying to reverse. MACD is bullish, RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now see on the 4-hour charts you can consistently see that, and something which I'll show you on the daily charts, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. Now perfectly aligned to the channel, 78 level certainly going to be the next resistance level. On the downside 76 is a good support. Directional movement here is bullish too, it is divergent. RSI has dropped and now trying to recover. The MACD is bullish, divergent. RSI is also trying to look upwards. Now look at the daily charts here. Now see, many a times I had told you in last few days that higher lows are seen, 74, 75 certainly be a good support. Also lower highs are seen. You have to wait for it to break past 80 in order to confirm the bullishness. Also I had told you 78 is a very good resistance. Now precisely you can see it is trading between the 20 and 50 period moving average. Let it stay. First of all, see couple of green candles, retracement, and this bullish candle. Now the next candle when it starts on this chart, if it stays above 78, you can expect that we may see 79.2 and 80 levels again, which is going to be the next resistance, and staying above 80, little more bullishness is confirmed there. Directional movement is bearish here, trying to converge, stochastic looking upwards, MACD trying to cross over for a buy entry here, and RSI trying to look upwards, show a little strength. So firstly, yes, those who want to profit a little can buy here and expect 77.8 levels to be a little resistance. Once it stays above 78 levels, certainly we may see little more bullishness, because beyond 77.8 we may see 78, 78.5 and 79.2 as the next targets. And on the downside, first of all, we have so far seen the buy entries. On the downside, you can sell here at 76.8, expect 76.5, 76 as the next stronger support, and if and only if it breaks below 76, further bearishness will be seen there. So those who want to trade safely should not trade between 76.8 77.8 levels. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 13th of March. Book your seats now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at NG. Beautifully it has achieved the next resistance levels at 2.8, and if you recall, I had told you about 2.8 and 2.9 there is a gap which is to be filled. Possibly it may try to do so. Now again 2.8, it is a little more resistance zone. Beyond 2.8, little more bullishness is confirmed for 2.85 2.9 levels. Now it is, see, after this rise here, it is trying to consolidate a bit, and hence only sell entry I will recommend is below 2.7 4 levels, below which you can expect 2.7 as the next support, and below 2.7 you can see 2.65 and 2.6 level. Only if it draws below 2.6, confirm that it is trying to trade bearish. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic overbought and seen a little drop. MACD again bullish here. RSI trading near to the high levels, top levels. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, high and lows are seen. Wait for it to break past on the downside below 2.74 levels, then only bearishness is confirmed. And that too till 2.7 first target, 2.65 levels next target. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD trying to cross over for a buy entry. RSI near to the highs here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts, flat bottom, lower highs, this candle trying to break out. Possibly once it stays above 2.8, you can expect 2.8 to 2.85 levels there, which might get achieved. Directional movement here is also bullish, stochastic is overbought, MACD trying to cross over for a buy, RSI is trading overbought. Now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, this bullishness is getting diminished. You can see the previous two candle and you can see this candle completely engulfed, completely you can say within this, completely is trying to stay or completely remaining engulfed between the previous candle, previous highs. Hence 2.8 levels you should watch out for. Beyond that, we may see 2.8 to 2.85 levels to get achieved. On the downside, yes, you can sell here at 2.74 only. Directional movement bullish, stochastic coming to overbought levels. MACD is bullish here, and it appears it has achieved a little higher levels there, but see the previous highs, and here it has still got lot much of a scope. RSI again has come back to overbought levels. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, let me show you what I had told. And now see, I told you there is a possibility of this gap to get. Now it is almost has come to the next resistance at 2.8. Several times we have touched upon this, that 2.8 is a very good resistance zone, and beyond that now one can look forward to 2.85, and beyond that certainly 2.93 levels will be seen. The $3 levels are going to be a major resistance, 3.2 zone. Directional movement trying to cross over for a buy entry after long time. The stochastic has come to overbought levels. The MACD is divergent and bullish here. RSI is also trying to look upwards, show a little strength. And hence for the day you can buy at 2.8, but the nearest 2.82 and then 2.85 level, these two levels you should watch out for. Once it stays above 2.85, stay long. We may see it hitting 2.9 and $3 levels also, and this can accelerate the bullishness till towards those levels. If not today, possibly in this week we may see it hitting $3 levels. If it continues to stay above 2.8, then and then only. On the downside, you can sell at 2.74, expect 2.7, 2.65, 2.6, and only if it stays below 2.6, little more bearishness will be confirmed. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.